Hi guys, today's video is from when I was in California at the Great Wolf Lodge, and I was able to film the pool area, the fun area. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do that and ring that bell. That really helps me out. So enjoy this. Okay, I will say that this park is a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was just going to have like this and a few slides, but no, there's a whole nother play area for kids. There's a wave pool. So they do have a lazy river, and for handicapped, they do have a seat to get the handicapped in there, which probably could get Mackenzie in that too. But we'll have to give that a try. Here are the slides. They've got 3 of them that you can go on. Oh wow. I'm gonna try to do all 3 of these. Well, maybe not the drop body slide. That one I will not do. But these 2 I will. And this is where you come out. More of the lazy river here. And yeah. You look at all those slides going around and around. Wow. Kids are having fun. Alright, this area looks like it might be closed. But you can play basketball. You can go across the little wood pieces, I guess, and the little bridge. Might be closed though, I'll have to check. The other side of the kids' play area. Yeah, this is called the Cove, and it's closed up right now. I'm not sure why, but it's not open. They have where you can learn to surfboard. You can learn to surf like that board thing. You know what I mean. Now this area is for the little ones, so it's a little mini fort over here. Oh, it's cute. They got a little bitty slide. Let's go check the wave pool out. They got water bubbling up everywhere along with the waves. I wonder if you can use a float here or not. It looks like it only goes as deep as 5 feet, which is still too deep for me. Look at how cute they're building or putting up the end. You can rent lockers to put your valuables in, but if you're staying here, I would just keep it in your room. But I think that people come here for the day too. I don't think they just come here to stay and play. I think they come and play. Okay, this isn't going at the moment, so it's stand-up surfing. Oh, you can do stand-up surfing during the first and the last hour of park operations. Otherwise, you have to do a body surfing. Or bodyboard, I guess you can call it. Beware of the risks. Oh, there's an outdoors here. Gonna have to check that outdoors out. And if you, they do have little cabanas that you can rent. I'm pretty sure that's pricey though. Okay, they do have an outdoor pool and seating. Ooh, it is chilly out here. I'm no longer in Florida. Wow, it's chilly. Yeah, it's only 61 degrees in Garden Grove, Florida, or Garden Grove, California. And there you can see the water slides come out of the building. And there's cabanas here too that you can rent for outdoor. I bet you that water's cold. Okay, I gotta try it. Oh no, actually that water's not cold. Huh. I wonder if it opens up later when it warms up more, because it's only being 61 degrees. And that's the hotel back there. This is pretty nice. My first time at a Great Wolf Lodge, and I'm enjoying it. Alright, so the outdoor pool opens at 11 and closes at 5. The cabanas, it looks like you get a couch, some reclining, a table, and they have a refrigerator there, and ceiling fan and a TV. Okay, these are the water slides that go outside, the toilet bowl one. There's a family. See, some of them you have to have 2 to 5 players. So I've decided that if I go down to any of the water slides, I'll take you on my phone. I won't be taking you on my camera. So the camera's going to go get put back in the hotel room while I come back down and we play.
You can hold on the boat. Yeah, you guys. How you hold on the boat? How you do that?
Alright guys, we're going to go down the green slide. God, Tammy.
Oh my God.
Woo! Floating down. Oh, I've lost Alicia. Here she comes. All right, so we found ourselves back here. Oh no. Oh no. I hope this water's warm. It wasn't. Uh-oh, hopefully I missed this next one. My ear's all plugged up from that.
Yeah.
No! Alright, your girl got it again. 14 minutes floating on the lazy river. Okay, let me see. Oh, no, I'm not getting it this time. No, Felicia didn't get it. Oh, but she cheated. Here we are. Ah! Too bad they don't have a hot tub. Hey, the next hotel we go to has a hot tub. Yeah, she's cheating again. She's kicking herself away. She got it. She got it. And guess what? So am I. Yeah, I went through it again. Yep. This one's gonna get me too. Why not? Oh, that would have been nice on my back. Should have been laying on my stomach on here and gotten that massage.
I tried not to cheat. It was not my mouth. I moved my feet so I wouldn't cheat. I did, but no, sorry. I'm cheating from now on to get out.
Well, it was a lot of fun at the Great Wolf Lodge. As you can see, there's a lot of things to do there. And, yeah, that slide scared the living daylights out of me because I went down backwards and I had no idea where we were going. As you can tell on my poor face. So, anyways. If I haven't yet told you this, thank you for being here and I love you all. Bye.